No more blurry low quality videos. Let's compare Topaz AI video versus Wing AI video enhancer. Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. I hope all of my viewers fine and doing great. Also, the new ones consider subscribe to appreciate. In my last video, I already quickly review the Topaz AI video, not very detailed, but the quick review like the flash. So here is the Topaz interface after import the video on the timeline. Let's select the basic settings and go on with the processing and compare with the week. For the reference, I selected the 4K resolution for the output and the Proteus fine-tune enhanced model for the enhancement and set the recompression to almost 40 or 50. And then we have the cover the details, sharpen, de-halo, de-blur, and so on. A bunch of manual tools available in the Topaz, no doubt. This is the flexibility you can get in the Topaz. Topaz is the best solution if you are going to use the video enhancer, but it's costly, expensive in my opinion. But the output quality is worthy because it's not only work on the face, across all the video works equally on every object from the face to anything else. So here you can see the details on the eye level. It's recovered, it looks great. Somehow the hair strands also really detailed. You can zoom in and zoom out and compare with the slider or side by side. It's up to you. Move on our second video enhancer app called the Wink. Link is already reviewed multiple times on my channel. That's why quickly go on the main point. This is the AI repair and I selected the video, same video. 3 models available: HD, Ultra HD, Portrait Enhancer, and then we have resolution 1080p, 2K and respectively 4K. So I selected the 4K, multiple tools available like light, enhancer, frame interpolation and stabilization. I fast forward the processing time. By the way, new to my channel, consider subscribe to appreciate. Here is the before and after comparison. You can take a look at by using the slider. If you're willing to take a look into separate review of the Wing AI repair, so you can take a look into my video or I'll drop link in the description. Wing, he covered the details on the face level brilliant. Even I liked more than the Topaz approach and the human body, even the clothes. Other than that, the processing on the buildings, bridge is not as good as the Topaz. I will compare more apps with the Topaz. Which one is your favorite from Wing and the Topaz? Let's prove how powerful is the video enhancer apps. Subscribe, like, share with others. See you next time with the new video.